Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This collar needs to be about a ½ inch long. Doesn't have to be exact, but about a ½ inch long. I want to be able to put a set screw through the side of it. Now I need to drill a 3/4 inch hole in this and then cut it down to match the length of the crank on the other grinder. Then I have to make another matching one to this. So, got a little bit of work to do. I think I'm going to do that out in the drill press out in the garage. Then I can tack weld these on and drill them for set screws. I'm going to wait and do the drilling and tapping for the set screws until after I get them welded because that'll shrink them. I need to drill 2 3/4 inch holes. One here and one in here, so that they'll slip over the boss on the end of that bushing. For that, we'll use the drill press out in the garage. Nice day out today, in the 60s. Pretty good for March in Michigan. Pretty cool. Nice. Now I tap these holes and I weld these in place. Tack them on the back side and then weld them 100%. I'm going to leave this surface untacked. That's just there as a pilot bushing. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.